In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Brevo, and we'll get this done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to enhance your current strategy, personalizing your campaigns in Brevo can make a huge difference. So, let's dive right in and make your emails stand out. First, we'll start by opening your web browser and heading over to Brevo's website. Once you're there, take a moment to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up to follow along. But don't worry, Brevo makes it easy to register and get started. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the navigation bar and find the Campaigns tab. Go ahead and click on it. You'll then want to choose Create a Campaign. This is where the personalization magic begins. Next up, you'll need to decide on the type of campaign you'd like to create. Brevo offers options like regular campaigns or A/B test campaigns. Pick whichever suits your needs and get ready to name your campaign. At this point, you'll also select your sender information, which includes the sender's name and email address. Make sure it's something the recipients will recognize and trust. Now, we move on to customizing the campaign itself. You'll want to pay attention to several elements here. Start by adding or updating the sender information, selecting your recipients, writing a catchy subject line, designing the email, and reviewing any additional settings. Each of these components plays a crucial role in ensuring your email gets the desired attention and response from your audience. When it comes to designing your email, Brevo gives you the flexibility to either choose from their existing templates or create an entirely new design from scratch. If you decide to create your own, you have the option of using the drag-and-drop editor, a simple text editor, or even crafting something with HTML if you prefer getting into the technical details. Spend some time exploring these tools to see which works best for your campaign's style and goals. Once your email is designed and you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to determine whether you'd like to preview, test, or schedule your campaign. Previewing and testing your email is a key step to ensure everything looks just as you envisioned across different devices and email clients. Make any last-minute tweaks necessary for a flawless presentation. If everything looks perfect, you can go ahead and schedule your campaign. Select a time and date that aligns with your audience's habits for the best open rates. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully personalized your email campaign in Brevo. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.